Can you use heat therapy patches for cramps? Discrete heating patches works for up to 12 hours to soothe cramps and provide therapeutic heat, right where you need it most. Our set of 3 easy-to-use therapeutic heating patches instantly warm to a comforting temperature to soothe cramps, increase blood flow, and relax muscles. Use on the lower abdomen to soothe cramps, or on the lower back to alleviate aches and pains related to menstruation. Adhere patch to the outside of your underwear for on-the-go wear. Up to 12 hours of heat. 140 degrees Fahrenheit maximum temperature. 3-count single-use patches. Air-activated and individually wrapped. Soothes menstrual pain with therapeutic heat. Contains iron powder, water, carbon, vermiculite, sodium chloride. Do heating patches work for period pain and menstrual cramps? Yes. Heat therapy is effective at relieving aches and cramps associated with menstruation. Our heating patches were designed to deliver concentrated soothing heat for up to 12 hours. Menstrual heat patches from Proof adhere to the outside of your undies on the lower abdomen or back to alleviate period pain, soothe cramps, increase blood flow, and relax muscles.